Corn continued to climb midweek for a third straight session. AgDay's Michelle Rook joins us again with analysis here from Commodity Classic.
Grains ending mixed on Wednesday. Matt Bennett with AgMarket.net is joining us with analysis. Okay, corn market did bounce on Wednesday despite wheat going the opposite direction. Everybody wants to know, are the lows in, especially now that we've got a lot of this liquidation out of the way before first notice day?
Yeah, I feel like a lot of the farmers give up point, if you will, was last week. You know, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all 3 days you traded higher, then you end up 5-6 cents lower. It was just a pretty rough trade action type of a week. You come in here this week, make a new low on Monday, and then you close up sharply. You know, yesterday we had a little bit higher close. Today, nice movement in corn as well. So it sure looks like, for the time being, the low's in. Now, I don't know that over the long haul, but obviously March is going in. I mean, March is going to be off the board here before you know it. And so, you know, is May going to go down there and test that $4 level and go even below where March was? That remains to be seen. I think there's a lot of things that could factor in, but for the time being, it seems like the pain's over.
And the soybean market, we put new contract lows in on Wednesday before bouncing. Do you think there's more downside risk left in that market?
Well, whenever you look at the charts, I mean, there's some open air beneath us, you know, and the problem is of course, Brazil's weather looks like it's good enough. Argentina's looks good enough. Bottom line for me is that beans fundamentally don't really have a story to be super strong. You see crush margins continue to be crushed, so to speak, you know, and so right now I guess I'm a little bit concerned. I feel like one of these days, though, beans could bounce 50, 60 cents over the course of a week, and no one would be shocked, you know, because we are definitely oversold. Sentiment has been awfully weak. I feel like they're going to bounce at some point, but fundamentally it's pretty rough.
Anytime you get those rallies, though, will the funds pounce on it, or will you get farmers selling?
Yeah, I feel like the funds in some of your commodities have actually been quietly exiting some of these. As far as beans go, I don't know that the funds want to own beans just yet. And so if I'm a farmer, though, I got to understand, you get any sort of rally like that to go to the second part of your question, you've got to act on it.
You're right. Thanks for joining us, as always. Matt Bennett with AgMarket.net. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.